In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to stop people from mentioning you on their WhatsApp status. Preventing people from mentioning you on their WhatsApp status can help protect your privacy, reduce unwanted notifications, and avoid misunderstandings or potential misrepresentation. To turn off status mentions, simply head to your WhatsApp. You will want to head to your settings on your bottom right. Select on Privacy. Head to this option of Status. Onto this option of My Contacts Except, choose someone in your contacts who always mentions you in their random boring statuses. Mark on Done, then get back to the Privacy section. Head right here on Blocked. Select Add New, search for the specific person. Simply block them. They won't be able to mention you in their status ever again. As far as I know, that's how you can stop people from mentioning you in their WhatsApp status. And as of the time of recording this video, there is no specific option of stopping them from mentioning you. In case of any new update, I'll keep you updated. See you in the next one.